Welcome back to Stuff About Tutorial. Today we are talking about how to find new gigs on Fiverr. Why would you want to know how to find new gigs on Fiverr? Well, maybe it is your first time using Fiverr and not sure how to find new gigs on Fiverr. So today I am going to show you how to find new gigs on Fiverr. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. If you are willing to find new gigs on Fiverr and don't know how you can get new topics and beat the competition in new market, don't worry, the process is very simple. First of all, open any browser and type fiverr.com at search bar. Scroll down a little bit. Here you are seeing different categories at the top. Put mouse cursor on these skills. Here you can find new gigs. The gigs or skills that are new in Fiverr have mentioned new in front of these gigs. You can make gigs on these new keywords and rank yourself. There you go. If you wanted to know how to find new gigs on Fiverr, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way, to leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.